Good day everyone and welcome to episode 1 of Learn, Invest, Earn. My name is Soundarya Lakshminarayanan and in today's video we are going to answer the million-dollar question of what is investing, why should you invest and much more. To understand about what is investing, let me give you an example. Your friend tries to sell a piece of his land to you for 30 lakhs. You agree to buy the land because you understand that there is some shopping mall which is getting constructed in the locality and the price of the land can increase up to 50 lakhs in the next 5 years. It's been 5 years now and the price of the land has increased up to 40 lakhs. The initial amount that you use, that is the initial 30 lakhs that you use to buy this particular piece of land is called investment, and the increase in the value of the asset from 30 lakhs to 40 lakhs, the extra 10 lakhs that you get is called as return on investment. So investing is nothing but buying any product or financial instrument like stocks, bonds, mutual funds with a goal in the mind to generate some additional income in the future. Now you can ask me, why should I invest? But let me ask you this question. What do you do with your monthly savings? Like everybody put it in a savings account? Well, you can argue with me. Yes, Soundarya, I can deposit my money anytime I want. I can withdraw it anytime I want. It is safe as well as I get an interest of 3 to 4%. Well, do you think is an interest of 3 to 4% enough? I don't think so, because retail inflation in India is increasing at a rate of 6% as I'm recording this video today. Now you can ask me, what is inflation and how does it affect me? Well, let me answer that for you. Inflation is nothing but increase in the price of goods and services and decrease in the value of money. To put things into perspective, let's look into the increase in the price of silver for the past 5 years. By looking at this particular graph, you can understand that the price of silver has almost doubled in the past 5 years. This is a very classic example of increase in the price of goods and service and decrease in the value of money. Well, coming back to the point now, do you think is 3 to 4% of interest is enough? I don't think so. When price of goods and services is increasing at a rate of 6 to 7% and you get only a return of 3 to 4%, I don't think you can keep up with the increasing price of goods and services. Well, is investment important? I think you know the answer. Investment is very important in a long-term perspective. Now I'm pretty sure all of you are excited to start a journey of investing. But before that, you should know about the different types of investment, right? That is what we are going to look into in the next 2 videos. So do watch the next video before that. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a huge thumbs up so that it reaches a lot of people who are starting their investment journey. Also, comment below what you think about investing. Thank you so much for watching today's video. See you all in the next video.